Hi, let's look at some properties involving multiplication and addition involving zeros and ones. And over here I have Hilbert here, and he's going to help us out with some of these. And they got some fancy names. Like, for instance, the addition property of 0. Let's let A equals represent a number. So if we take and add 0 to a number, or 0 and a number, you get the number back itself. So 6 plus 0 equals 0 plus 6, of course, equals 6. So now let's take and look at something along that lines with multiplication involving 0 here. And so the name of that is the multiplication property of 0. So a number times 0, or 0 times a number, equals 0. So as an example here, we have 8 times 0 equals 0 times 8, which equals 0. Hilbert's doing a great job for us here. He's always a good helper. Let's see what we have next here. Shoot it out there, Hilbert. Okay, now we have the multiplication property of 1. If you take a number and multiply it times 1, or take 1 and multiply it times number, you get the number back itself. So 5 times 1 equals 1 times 5, which equals 5. So now, let's take a look at this. What can we put in for x to make both sides equal? Well, of course, that's going to be 0. And we're applying the 0 property of addition when we do that. So we get here both sides equaling 13. Now, in our next case, what can we multiply times 11/12? So we'll get 0. And so 0 on both sides. So that's 0. That is the multiplication property of 0. The next case here, what can we multiply times 1? So we'll get 3/4 on the left-hand side there. That's 3/4. We're applying the multiplication property of 1.